Here we go.
There's the card. Nice. We got scarves, Abigail.
Charlie, you gonna wear a scarf?
No way!
Why not?
Because I dig a dinosaur.
Roar,
Roar, roar, roar!
you like this
Speak
one,
better. You know you can speak better than that.
Someone matches your outfit though.
I might wear that with my coat.
I have Abby,
Thank you, Aunt Robin.
Thank you. Thank you.